Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Enforce. Enforce means compel observance of or compliance with. For example, the role of the police is to enforce the law. The role of the police is to enforce the law. Synonyms: impose, apply, carry out.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Jurisdiction to enforce laws relating to dumping follows the same pattern. Now, repeat after me. Jurisdiction to enforce laws relating to dumping follows the same pattern. The second exempli. First, the Attorney General enforces the law, both criminal and civil. Now, repeat after me. First, the Attorney General enforces the law, both criminal and civil. The third exempli. Both criminal and civil laws are enforced by a national police force. Now, repeat after me. Both criminal and civil laws are enforced by a national police force.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Every syllable in English must have a vowel, sound. Not all syllables have consonants.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.